How to fix Snapchat video call. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone, open the apps manager page. On this page you will find every single app you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Snapchat. Click on Snapchat like this, and now click on force stop, click on the storage right here and wait a few seconds and then click on clear cache. Go back, click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back again and click on force stop. Now the last thing you want to do is go back to the settings, click on the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.